I don't know what I'm supposed to do. What am I supposed to cave in to the people whose prejudices I abhor? I mean, I can't do that. My father's going to have to understand that. Cassie is, too.
Do you think she will?
I hope so. I miss her. I miss her very much. You know what I hope? I hope this whole thing comes to an end very soon.
Andrew, I don't think it will. In fact, I think it's going to get a lot worse before it gets better.
Do you know something?
Yes, I do. Certain vestry members are taking their case to Bishop Graham.
What case? They don't have a case,
I know
Vicky.
they don't have a case, but they feel they do, and that makes them very dangerous, Andrew. They're going to demand your resignation. I really believe that this cancer in our midst has to be stopped before it goes any further. We have to somehow get rid of all these fears and these biases.
I'm open to ideas.
Well, I think you have to go back to the source. Who started this rumor about you? Do you have any idea?
Yes, I have an idea, Vicky. I can't prove it, but I believe that the person who started all this ugliness in the first place was Marty Saybrook.
Hey, Billy, how you doing? Just closing up.
Where's Joey?
Oh, he just left. Just missed him. Alana left a long time ago. Of course, we do have Marty here. Lucky us.
I love you, too.
Hey, will you lock up the place for me? I want to go home. All right, watch out for her.
I heard you.
What?
About watching out for me. What does she think I'm going to do? As if you'd let me do anything, right? Well, what are you in such a hurry to go off to? You got a hot date?
No, I don't have a hot date, Marty.
Well, don't get so touchy. I don't have one either. You know, we got a lot in common, you and me.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Well, first off, we're both here. And we're both in lousy moods. We go together perfectly. Flotsam and jetsam. But I happen to have the answer to all our problems. Right here in my bag. Satisfaction guaranteed. What do you say? Want to wash away our sins? This is fun. Hey, you don't have to look so gloomy, you know. You know what I think we need here? I think we need a game. You like games, Billy?
Oh, yeah. Love them.
I've got the perfect one. Truth or dare. We get to ask each other any question we want, and the other person has to tell the real truth. And if you refuse to answer, you gotta chug. Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, you go first.
Marty, this game's...
No, no, don't be a party poop. Come on.
Okay. Let's see. Why are you here with me when you must have better things to do?
What makes you think I've got better things to do? My aunt's away in Europe, nobody's home. In fact, this was the only place I could think of to go.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah, tragic. So I decided I should spend some more time with you. You're always so good and noble and virtuous. Maybe if I stuck around, it would rub off on me. And when it rubbed off, I could see what's under your true surface. Okay, now it's my turn. Same question. What are you doing here with me? I didn't think I was exactly your favorite person.
You know, you're right. I mean, last time we did this, I ended up in the hospital, didn't I?
Yep.
The truth. I've got to tell the truth.
Mm-hmm.
Truth is, maybe the hospital's where I'd like to be now.
Oh! Heavy. Oh, I love this game. Okay. Next question, it's your turn. Up the ante.
All right. Have you ever been in love?
Yep.
With who?
No. One question per turn, Billy boy. But I will tell you this. He was much too holy to want anything to do with me. Real Mr. Holy Moly.
Andrew Carpenter, huh?
Now, it's your turn. Same question. Have you ever been in love?
Yes.
Who was the lucky guy? Okay. For truth or dare? How long have you known you were that way?
That way?
Oh, come on. You know what I'm talking about. Gay. Okay, how long have you known you were gay? Do your parents know? Okay. Scratch that one. Ooh, have you ever been with a girl? Oh, come on. You gotta try it. Girls are really nice. Sugar and spice. Come on, you should give it a whirl. I feel like I'm talking to myself. Here, say something.
It's my turn.
Okay, it's your turn. Go ahead.
Were you the one who started the rumors about me and Reverend Carpenter?
You know something? This game's getting to be a real bore.